Hello friends, welcome to Read With Me. Today we will be reading Sneeze, Big Bear, Sneeze. The author is Maureen Wright. The illustrator is Will Hillenbrand. Let's begin. It looks like Bear is having trouble. Here we see Bear walking through the forest, sneezing. The wind whipped through the autumn woods and swirled to the spot where Big Bear stood. She whirled the leaves right off the trees, just as Big Bear let out a sneeze. Achoo! He sneezed, and there go the leaves. Oh no, look what that bear is doing. Big Bear is trying to nail the leaves back on the tree. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The leaves flew down because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The leaves fell down when I sneezed. Achoo!" Big Bear tried to nail the leaves back using a hammer and some tacks. Is that going to work? No, once the leaves come off, they stay off until next spring. The wind kicked up and raced to the sky, swinging down low, then spinning up high. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the leaves because it is fall." Big Bear walked as the cold wind blew and came to a tree where apples grew. I think Bear might want to eat those apples. Uh-oh. The apples are falling on his head. Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, branches shook in a very strong breeze. "Oh my!" said Bear with an unhappy frown, watching the apples drop to the ground. He knew as they fell with a thumping sound that sneezing had made them all fall down. Do you think his sneezing made the apples fall off the tree? No, I don't believe so either. And now he's trying to put them back up in the tree. That won't work either. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The apples dropped because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The apples fell when I sneezed. Achoo!" He put the apples on a branch of the tree, stacking each one carefully. The wind swirled round the forest glen, dipping and whipping back again. She said, "That bear knows nothing at all. I dropped the apples because it is fall." Big Bear lumbered down to the lake. 20 geese rested. Not one was awake. Oh no, do you think his sneeze caused the geese to awake? Just as Big Bear let out a sneeze, achoo! Waves splashed up like a stormy sea. The geese flew off with a honking sound, flapping great wings above the ground. "Oh my," said Bear as he looked up high. "What have I done?" he said with a sigh. The wind said, "Bear, can't you see? The geese headed south because of me." Bear said, "Wind, it wasn't you. The geese flew away when I sneezed. Achoo!" And we see the geese up here flying away in a V. The wind spun round the autumn woods, then circled back to where Bear stood. She yelled, "Big Bear, I've had enough. I'm tired of this crazy, ridiculous stuff." Here's the wind, and she's yelling at Big Bear. The wind took a deep breath and let it out. With a whirling, twirling, mighty shout, I whipped the leaves right off the trees and dropped the apples whenever I please. I think Bear might be getting the idea now. He looks a little scared. I scare off the geese before they freeze and tickle your nose to make you sneeze. She's tickling it with a leaf. I do it all. I'm the autumn breeze. Here's Bear scratching his head, trying to figure it out. He thought it was his sneezing. Big Bear listened and scratched his head. You could have told me before, he said. The wind's deep sigh shook the sky. She is not happy with him. Bear said, it's time to say goodbye. He knows he's made her angry. He ran to the safety of his den, deep in the heart of the forest glen. Suddenly the door slammed shut. Big Bear's eyebrows shot right up. Now he's ready for bed. He jumped in bed and covered his head. I know my sneeze didn't do that, he said. It's only the wind on a blustery night. So, no more sneezes. And he blew out the light. Do you think Bear might be getting ready to hibernate because it's fall? Why don't you answer below in the comments? Thank you for listening. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. Bye for now.